Talk about this a lot, but it really comes down to supply and demand in real estate. So the question to think about is, if demand is strong and stays strong, but supply goes up, what should happen to the price? And if you've taken an Econ 101 class, if the demand stays constant, supply goes up, price should go down. And so for apartment renters and residents last year, supply was up. And so according to ABI's research, rent was down a little bit, a couple percentage points. And again, I've seen other research that said it was flat. It should have gone down more based on all of those new units that came on. But we have a very robust economy. We have a high growth market. Now, as we look out over the next couple of years, if demand stays constant and supply goes down, what will happen to price? And the answer is price will move up.
I knew that answer.
And these numbers are important to look at what's happened in the past. And we're also looking at numbers this year. But what's more important when you're an investor is not the rear view mirror, but the windshield where you're going forward. And in 2025, 26, 27, we are going to see supply go down. Demand stays constant. In a market like Phoenix, it's very high. Price is going to be moving up. Yep. Rent is going to be moving up.
Yeah. And I think we're seeing that a little bit. We're seeing that flat start to take off a little bit.
Yeah. And you're property managers, so you see this a lot when we're talking to potential residents. If they have a lot of options, they're harder to pin down. They're harder to get a lease signed, a year lease. So you're starting to see a little bit of maybe a lack of supply less than a few months ago?
A lot of interest. We're able to raise rents in a very reasonable way, but they're able to go up. There maybe is a slight concession at the beginning, but then it's our job to make sure it's a place they want to stay long term. And that's been easy to do. We make sure, we can provide that. It's a nice ramp up that's happening.